Good morning, dear kids. Today we will be starting our new topic that is sets. Sets, in that chapter you have to first understand few symbols. Let's see. If symbol this is given to you, that means it's an intersection. Intersection. Intersection means you have I'll be giving you two different sets and उन दोनों में जो common होगा वो intersection होगा, that is called as intersection symbol. What does this symbol stands for? It stands for union. Union means all together. Set A elements and set B elements together if we'll take, it will be called as a union. What do you mean by this? This means subset. If suppose this is my set and this is A set, this is B set. Now A set is inside B set. मतलब A belongs to B. So we will call A is a subset of B. Next we have, suppose E. Now can you see here A, B, C, D? These are the elements of set X. X एक set है जिसमें ये elements हैं. What does set consist of? It consists of elements. तो वो जो elements इसमें हैं उसमें क्या E है? नहीं है. So we will say E does not belongs to X. So this is a symbol of does not belongs. Next, this is a symbol of your universal set. If I give you two sets and they belong to in a big set, so that entire two sets and the entire external elements will together be called as a universal set. Next you have, suppose if I give you something like this, so this is called as complement. A dash. So this is called as complement. मतलब A एक सेट है और एक यूनिवर्सल सेट है, तो A के अलावा बाकी सब जो भी यूनिवर्सल सेट में है दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ A. A के अलावा जो सब एलिमेंट्स यूनिवर्सल सेट में हैं A के अलावा दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ A. देन यू हैव नंबर ऑफ A. दैट मीन्स अगर A सेट है उसमें कितने एलिमेंट्स हैं. सपोज आई हैव गिवन यू दिस सेट A, इसमें एक्स वाई जेड तीन एलिमेंट्स हैं, तो यू विल राइट नंबर ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू 3. दैट मीन्स द एलिमेंट्स, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स, हाउ मेनी एलिमेंट्स आर प्रेजेंट. नेक्स्ट इज, इफ आई गिव यू समथिंग हियर एज दिस, एक्स इज एन इंटीजर एंड एक्स इज इन बिटवीन 2 and 9. सो what does it means? सो दिस, ये आप अगर देख रहे हैं दो डॉट्स, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज सच दैट. these two dots are such that. So x such that x is an integer and x is in between 2 and 9. There's less than equal to and greater than equal to sign. That means x will include 2 and 9. If there is only less than or greater than sign, that means 2 and 9 will not be included. Then you have some sign, something like this. This is called as empty set. मतलब उस सेट के अंदर कोई भी एलिमेंट्स नहीं है. We also call it as null set. Clear? So we will start with our first problem. Let's see. This is called as a set. You can see here. Now, suppose this stands for universal set. Means this all the entire elements, all the elements of E set and T set along with this external elements will be called as universal set. This E set consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in number of their elements. T set consists of 1, 2, 3, sorry, not this, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So T set consists of 8 elements. And what is common between, how many number of elements are common between E and T are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting my point? So like this we will be solving our exercise. Let's start. Your question number 1 is, how many people are there in an hotel? तो टोटल यूनिवर्सल सेट आपको कंसिस्ट करता है ई और टी इज द नंबर ऑफ पीपल एंड यूनिवर्सल सेट जो है वो है नंबर ऑफ पीपल टुगेदर इन अ होटल. ये होटल कंडीशन दिया हुआ है और टोटल टुगेदर इन ई एंड टी वो टुगेदर बनता है एक यूनिवर्सल सेट. नाउ टी कंसिस्ट ऑफ पीपल हु लाइक टोस्ट. सो टी में जो एलिमेंट्स हैं दोज ऑल एलिमेंट्स आर द पीपल हु लाइक टोस्ट and E consists of people who do not like toast. Okay, so you have to count and give the number of people who like toast. That means T में कितने हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. so T के पूरे elements हैं 8, so you will write it here 8. Next is how many people like eggs but not toast. Eggs is this side. E का जो एलिमेंट्स हैं वो सब एग्स लाइकर हैं. सो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. हाउ मैनी पीपल लाइक्स एग बट नॉट टोस्ट. नाउ जो टोस्ट अगर नहीं तो ये जो है ये कॉमन एलिमेंट्स हैं जिनको दोनों अच्छा लगता है, टोस्ट भी एग भी. लेकिन सी लुक एट द क्वेश्चन, दे हैव आस्क्ड हाउ मैनी लाइक ओनली एग. So only egg is 1 2 3, so you will write 3. Then they have asked how many people like toast and egg together. Together toast भी अच्छा लगता है और egg भी, मतलब आपके common elements अगर आप रब करेंगे, ये रेस करूँगी मैं, so you will get to know which are the common elements. How many are there? 1 2 3 4, so you will write it here 4. Next they have asked how many people are in the hotel. So total the universal set में जितने people होंगे अगर आप ये सब count करेंगे तो you will get 18. Clear? Next is how many people like neither toast nor egg. Means you have to delete this neither toast nor egg and you have to take rest other. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7. नीदर टोस्ट नॉर एग मतलब कॉमन को छोड़ के बाकी एग और टोस्ट लवर्स जितने हैं उन सबको लेना है. ठीक है. ओके, नो आई थिंक आई हैव इंटरप्रेटेड द क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग. आई डू इट अगेन. नीदर टोस्ट नॉर एग मतलब ये पूरे हटा देने हैं और बाकी जो यूनिवर्सल सेट में बचते हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So that is how 7 we have got. Clear? Next we have, now the universal set consists of 1 2 3 till 12. A consists of 2 4 5 6. B consists of 2 4 6 10. You have to find A union B. A union B मतलब A और B को मिला के सबको साथ में लिखना है. You don't have to take the repetition of any number. So if 2 is twice, you have to write only once. 4 is twice, you have to write once. Then you have 5. Then 6 you have twice, you have to write 1 and 10. Here it is 8 also, so I'll write 8. So this is the answer for A union B. What is the answer for A intersection B? If you want to use the Venn diagram, you can also use the Venn diagram to check what is A intersection B. A और B को साथ में जो इंटरसेक्शन है मतलब यूनियन नहीं, इंटरसेक्शन मीन्स कॉमन, उन दोनों के बीच में इंटरसेक्शन कॉमन एलिमेंट्स कौन से हैं. लेट्स सी विच आर कॉमन. 2 4 6. लेट्स राइट 2 4 6. नेक्स्ट वी हैव A complement. A dash means A complement. Now you have to take A के अलावा जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं, माय डियर किड्स, यू हैव टू पुट इट इनटू A कॉम्प्लीमेंट. पहले चेक करेंगे कि A में क्या क्या है. 2 4 5 6. 2 4 even 3 is there. 2 3 4 5 6 इनके अलावा जो भी आपके सेट में है दैट ऑल विल बी, जो भी आपके यूनिवर्सल सेट में है दैट ऑल विल बी इंक्लूडेड इनटू ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट। ए के अलावा, ए का पूरा सर्कल छोड़ के बाकी कौन कौन बचता है, लेट्स सी। 1 7 8 10 9 11 12। So we will write 1 7 8 9 10 11 12. So this is called as A complement. Let's see number of elements in A union B. A union B के number of elements कितने हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So you will write 7. Then you have, what do you understand by B intersection, B complement intersection with A. पहले आपको B complement निकालना पड़ेगा. Let's see how we can find B complement. As I said you, A complement आपने क्या निकाला, A के अलावा जो भी यूनिवर्सल सेट में है that is A complement. Similarly, B के अलावा, if you remove B, apart from B, whatever is there present in the universal set, that will be included into B complement. So what is B complement? 1 7 3 5 9 11 12. Clear? Now they have asked you have to find B complement intersection A. A is 2 3 4 5 6. What is A? 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, let's see what is the intersection in between these two sets. Intersection means common. So it is 3 and 5. So we will write B complement intersection A is 3 and 5. Got my point clear? Next. Now let's see. X is given as 1 2 3 till 10. Y is given as 2 4 6 till 20. And Z is such an integer which is between 15 and 25. That means from 15, 16, 20, not between, it includes 15 and 25. So it is something like this. You have to find X intersection Y. X intersection Y, my dear kids, that means what are common elements between X and Y. So can we take 2, 4, 6, यहाँ पे भी आएगा 4, 5, 6, yes, 8 till 10. So what are the common elements between X and Y? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Perfect. What are common elements between Y and Z? Let's see. Y and Z में क्या क्या common है? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 till 20 because Y consists of till 20. So only till 20 there are common. After 20 only Z के पास है, Y के पास वो elements नहीं हैं. So we will write 15 to 20. Then we have X intersection Z. Let's see if we have something common in X and Z. No, so we will write null set. Then you have number of elements between X union Y. X union Y में number of elements कितने हैं? Let's see. X union Y. So X में आपके पास 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And Y you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Together, union when they make, so how many numbers will be there? X and Y together. So it will be 2, 2 common, 4, 4 common, 6, 6 common, 8, 8 common, 10, 10 common. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements from here and the 5 elements which are common and my dear kids, yes, and the remaining 5 elements, these. So total they have 15 elements. So you will write 15. How 15? Because common elements will not be taken twice If 2 is there in set A and 2 is there in set B, so it will be taken as one element only. Clear? Next you have to get number of elements in Z. Number of elements in Z. Let's see. Z consists of what? From 15 till 25. So if you count from 15 to 25, the number of elements in Z, you will get 11. Yes? Okay. Then you have to count number of elements in X union Z. So X और Z को मिला के कितने elements आ रहे हैं? सिर्फ Z में अकेले 11 हैं और X में हैं 10. तो total will be 21 and there is no common in between them. So total will be 21. Let's see, we have true or false. First, does 5 belongs to Y? You have to check what Y consists of. 2, 4, 6, all the alternate or all the even numbers. So 5 does not belongs to Y. So first is your false. Second, does 20 belongs to X? 20. Let's see what does X consist of. X consists of 1 to 10. So 20 does not belongs to X. So you will write false. Let's see what the third says. Number of elements X intersection Y is 5. Let's see. X और Y में जब हम intersection करते हैं, common करते हैं, तो they have common elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So you will say number of common elements in between X and Y is 5. Yes, true. What about next? 15, 20, 25 belongs to Z. Let's see what does Z consist of. Z consists of numbers from 15 to 25. So yes, it consists of 15, 20, 25. So your last answer is also true. Clear? Next. See, M has 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. N has 6, 7, 8, 9. Your first question is M union N. Number of elements in M union N. So first you have to find the union. How you will write? 1, 2, 4, 6 is double but we will write it only once. 7, 8 is double but we will write it only once, and 9. So all the elements are included. Now we will count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number of elements in M union N is equal to 7. Like this you have to do. Next I'll do M. Last one I'll do. The rest other are easy. You can try it out. Last is M dash, that is M complement and N complement का union. So first you have to find what is M complement. M के अलावा जितने भी numbers हैं वो M complement में आएंगे. Let's see. M is 1, 2, 6, 8, 4. So इस circle के अलावा is 7 and 9. So what we will write in M complement? 7 and 9. What about N complement? N में है 6, 7, 8, 9. तो इस सर्कल के अलावा क्या है? 1, 2, 4. So that will be 1, 2, 4. And we have to find M complement union N complement. Union means you have to write them together. Clear? So once I have solved this, I think I1, you have to solve the remaining. Next we have draw 6 diagrams similar to diagram 1. Shade the following sets. See, if I have this as my universal set, these are the two sets in between. You have to shade. First you have to shade A intersection B. Where you will shade? Intersection means the common. So here will be the shading point. So this is called as A intersection B. So this Venn diagram you have to draw. Second is you have to shade A union B. A union B means together A set as well as B set. So this is how you have to shade. Clear? Third, they have said A complement. So A complement, how I'll draw? I have a set A here. A complement. So this is entirely A. इसके अलावा जो रहेगा that will be A complement. So in a way you have to shade, you have to leave this circle and shade the entire region of universal set. That will be A complement. Now they have asked A complement intersection B. Suppose you have this A and this is B. Clear? What will be A complement? A complement will be A के अलावा जितना भी बाकी आपका यूनिवर्सल सेट में है, means this. Getting my point? इस सर्कल के अलावा A के अलावा whatever is there in universal set will be A complement. Its intersection will with B. तो B और उसके A complement में कॉमन क्या होगा? This part. B का ये region will be common. So this is the shaded region. Clear? Then you have to get B complement A. You can make it on your own. Then you have B union A complement. Now A union B या B union A is one and the same thing. This is the B A union B. This entire region will be shaded. And what is its complement? मतलब इन दोनों के यूनियन को हटा के बाकी जो भी आपके सेट में अवेलेबल है that will be the shaded part. Means this will be the shaded part. Clear? So like this you have to draw the Venn diagrams. Okay, I'll pack off here. I'll be giving you a PDF of few problems. You have to solve it. Solve them. Okay, God bless.